Now the share market is nothing but the up and down movement of stocks and indices. So in this video we'll see what is the maximum percentage the share market can move on a given day. There is a predefined limit set by the regulators like SEBI and exchanges. We call this limit as a circuit limit. So within this the share market can move. Whenever it touches it, we call it as a circuit breaker. Whenever it touches and forms a new high, we call it a circuit breaker. So whenever the circuit breaks, the share market will be put to a halt for certain timings. We will see what are those timings. So before that, we will see why this circuit actually breaks and what is the possible potential reasons for this to happen. Share market can break the circuit due to number of events. Here are some of the events which I am showing it to you. Here I have only depicted a very less number of events, but there are potentially more events than this. The first one can be a budget, which will definitely impact the share market to a maximum. There are previous events like whenever a budget was positive, the share market triggered more than 1000 points and it was put to halt. Recently, the main event that impacted the share market was coronavirus impact. The entire world's economy like US market, European market, everything was hit. It was just reflected in our Indian market also. The market was halted 2 or 3 times due to this event. Whenever the cases on coronavirus increases, it will be immediately reflected in the stock market in the form of halting. In addition, we have several other policies like RBI policies that impact the share market, the monetary policy, the inflation index. So we have so many events that impact the share market. We're going to see about the circuit limits and timings. If you want to open a DEMAT account, you can visit the website powerpangu.com and sign up for an account and get all the 6 premium courses that are featured in our website. So basically this option strategy, the market can move in any direction. So it is always advisable to enter the market with specific strategies and firefight it also. So you can WhatsApp this number if you want the free training courses. If you already have an account, you can refer a friend or you can sign up in your family member's name and get all these courses. Once the account is open, please send the kite ID to this number to claim the courses. Now let's quickly see that. So here I am in NS India website, which shows the market halt duration, circuit limit, trigger time, pre-open call session after the market halt. All the details are here. I have given the link. You can also go and see the link in the description if you want to see it by yourself. So I will quickly explain it. This market-wide circuit breaker was implemented from 2001 June 28 actually, from that circular. So previously, if you see in US, we had the same kind of market hitting. The market was going over and above the normal ranges, so they implemented the circuit breaker there. So by seeing that, India also has implemented. So we have 3 stages of this index movement. At 10% we have a circuit breaker, 15% and 20%. We'll see what happens if these levels are breached quickly. We will also see how this level is achieved. What is 10%? How do I know that like that? So trigger limit, let us first see the trigger limit. We have 10, 15 and 20. So trigger time is 1 p.m. So first let's try to understand what is this trigger limit. So 10% is nothing but they will calculate the yesterday's, let us say Nifty price of yesterday. It was at yesterday, let us say it was at 11,600. So they will calculate 10% of 11,600. What is that? 1,600. 10% of 11,600, 1,600, I think. So that is the 10% circuit limit. So if that touches or breaks it, the market will be put to a duration of 45 minutes if it breaks before 1 p.m. So we have a separate time. So if the 1,600 point is breached before 1 p.m, they will either up or downside. The market will go for half of 45 minutes. They will close the market. It will impact even if any one market is breached 10%. They will put both the stock market in India, all the stock market in India, to a halt situation for 45 minutes before 1 p.m. Then again they will conduct the pre-open call auction to discover the price. If you don't know what is pre-market session, I have given the link in the description of this video, or in the cards you can find it. Next we have at if this breach is between 1 to 2:30, just 15 minutes duration, again the market will open with a 15 minutes pre-open session. After 2:30 there is no halt. Market will keep running till 3:30 until it's over. So if the circuit breakers hit 15%, so we will calculate 15% of 11,600, 15% of 11,600. So the value is 1740 points. So if this point is reached, again we will have this time 1 hour 45 minutes they will put halt if it happens before the 1 p.m. afternoon, and again 15 minutes pre-open session. After 1 p.m. 45 minutes, then again pre-open session 15 minutes. So 20% if it's hit anytime during the market hours, their market is closed, remain the halt is throughout the day. So here you can see this is for 26th August. The market was closed at 11,549. So 10% of 11,549 is 1154, and 15% 1,700, and 20% 2,300. So this is how the market halt duration comes in, the time limit, everything. I hope now you got a clear idea what is the maximum a market can move up or down on a given day within this limits. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. If you have any doubts, please do WhatsApp me.